How to share a 10-minute video on WhatsApp. To get started, first of all, you need to open the gallery on your phone. After that, select a video that's more than 10 minutes in length. Open the video. Then, tap on this icon at the bottom right corner and select the option Save to Files from the menu. Select the file location and tap Save at the top right corner. Minimize the gallery application and open the WhatsApp application on your phone. Open a chat from the chat list. Then, go to the plus icon at the bottom left corner. Then select Document and tap on the option Choose from Files. Now, select the video from the files. Once it's done, tap on Open at the top right corner. The video will appear on the screen. Hit the Send button at the bottom right corner. You will notice the video is being uploaded in document format. Once it's done, the recipients can download the 10 minutes video in their gallery. So, by following these steps, you can share a 10-minute video on WhatsApp.